Whenever you're on a project with multiple collaborators, you may find yourself needing to edit their permissions after the invite has already been sent. To do this, we can go to the Share widget here on the left-hand side. If you're using the classic layout and only have the top-line menu, just go to Share and Edit Collaborators, and you'll have the exact same menu. So we see myself here as the admin, and we have a pending invite that was sent. If we click this sideways arrow here, we can still make changes to their permissions once they've joined the script. So if I want to make it so Spencer needs to invite additional people, I can make him an admin, or retroactively revoke adminship. I can make him read-only to prevent him from making any further edits, or I can turn him on to static manual updates. All of these will take place instantly as soon as he signs in and views the script. Or if we need to remove someone from the project altogether, we can click Remove and Confirm. And while the project will still appear in their portfolio, anytime they try to open it, they'll be told that they need to contact the admin as they no longer have permission to view the script.